welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together so we can see what's new in makeup. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Little box cutter right here. Always a good day when I remember this. And we are going to get started with the first box here. It doesn't say who it's from, so it will be a surprise. It does look like it's from Urban Decay. It's like a tropical box. I'm actually not sure what is inside of here, but here's what it looks like. It says Summer Vibes on the lock. And let's go ahead and open it. So it's actually their setting spray. So this is their long-lasting makeup setting spray. So we have the Summer Solace scent. Interesting. So we have like a mini one and then a full size as well. And this one is a new scent. I do like their all-nighter spray, their setting spray. I think it's really good. So let's go ahead and see what this smells like. Oop, I'm dropping it. So I'm going to actually just spray some to my face. We'll see. Smells pretty good. I like that. I'm actually going to just let my face sit here a second so it doesn't leave splotches everywhere. The next box I am opening says it's from Physician's Formula. I don't know what they came out with recently, so this should be fun. I love so many of their products, you guys. Seriously. All right, so let's see. This is their new, so this is their new powder mineral wear loose powder. And their mineral wear 3-in-1 setting powders. They have some new powders to the collection. So the mineral powder wear comes in 7 different shades. And then the setting powder has a translucent, a pink, and then a banana powder. So it looks like they actually did, I think, send over all of these shades. We have 2 little things of bubble wrap here. This is like perfect for summertime if you're into like mineral wear foundations. I know my friend really loves a good like powder foundation. So this is what it looks like right here. And I believe it has like a sifter. Yeah, so it actually has for the brush, we have like this little sponge applicator here. And these are nice too because you can just like throw them in your purse. And I like using either a loose powder or a pressed powder to set my entire face. That's what I prefer to use it for, like over top of my makeup, not necessarily as like my sole foundation, but I know a lot of people do really like it just as that. So they sent over all 6 of the shades in that. And then here is the powder. Oh, okay, so this is actually a 3-in-1. So it has all 3 of the powders in one compact. That's really cool. So we have the banana powder, the pink powder, and then the translucent. I'm really excited to try this. We have like a setting, a baking, and then a brightening powder. I feel like you have everything you need kind of in just one compact here, which I think is really neat. This is a nice release here from Physician's Formula. You guys will have to let me know down below what items you want to see me do like a first impressions with or test out. But thank you, Physician's Formula, for sending over that package. Okay, so this next box here is from Yes Oh Yes, and they are actually a new subscription service that is new to the market. It's going to be $14.99, and you get, it says 5 to 7 full-size items in your bag every single month, so this is cool. So they asked me on Instagram if they could send over some products, and I said yes. So we have the Bella Pierre Volume Lash Mascara in here, so you have a full-size mascara. We also have something from Caitlin Cosmetics. This is a gel liner in black. We have that. We also have this brush right here. This is from Sormi, and it looks like it's just like a small, like a lip brush or an eye brush, like a detail brush right here. Like a really small, precise brush. So next up we have the Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. So nice gel liner. And then we have something from Dirty Little Secrets, and this is a baked highlight. I've actually never tried Dirty Little Secrets highlights before, but here is what that looks like. It's actually a blush, I believe. I would think this is a blush right here. So there's that. It's in Bellissima. And then we also have an eyeshadow palette. This seems like a pretty good box for the $15. I feel like you got a lot of products in here. So this is from Mora, and it's the Dreams Escape palette. Super bright colors. So I'm going to slide it out so we can see what the shade looks like. So opening it up, ooh, wow, this is a very bright palette. Look at all these neon shades. This is really fun. I love, love, love these blues. That neon orange looks so nice. I'm going to swatch a few of the shades so we can see what they look like. I don't know if these are going to be like pressed pigments or mattes, but they actually look pretty decent in the swatches. This one here was supposed to be that orange. I don't know if that one looks orange. It kind of looks more yellow. But it's actually definitely a fun, like, different palette to get in a subscription service. So I will have them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. But again, it was $15 and we got a lot of products in there. Pretty good. So next up, this one here says it's from Pixi. I love Pixi skincare. It's always so good. And I'm hoping that this is the more skincare in here. I think I've seen a few people open this. This is so cute. So here is what they sent over. It's actually a vitamin C daily dose of skin brightening. This is really cute packaging, just like this little jar like this. So funny because my mom used to order these vitamin C tablets. And I swear to you, the container for them was this big. Like, they came in a thing this big. They tasted like cherry. I loved the taste of them. And I used to eat them as candy and sneak them. But we have from them the vitamin C lotion. So this says it's a vitamin C brightening moisturizer right here. We also have inside of here, this is like a serum. So we have the vitamin C brightening concentrate serum in here as well, and it comes with like a top, and then it also has like a dropper in there as well. This entire package kind of smells like lemons. And then up next we have a vitamin C tonic. Ooh, nice. So this is a new tonic water that has vitamin C in it as well. And then we also have this right here, which is, a juice cleanser. This one is orange flower water brightening cleanser. Here's what that one looks like. So this one says you use daily to cleanse your skin, apply over face with cotton pad or with your hands. That sounds really nice. And then the last thing in here is a vitamin C caviar balm. I know a lot of people really love their caviar balm. I think they have like a rose one. So this was definitely a fun package. Lots of new skincare goodies to try out from them. Definitely love the fact that they did this whole vitamin C thing. I think it's really cute. Okay, and then next up we have this one here. It says it's from Benefit. So it says, congrats on graduating Benefit Club Pink. Gorgeous. We are so incredibly talented and we can't wait to see what your career takes you. You'll always be a VIP Pink to us and a part of the Benefit family forever. If you ever need anything, please contact. Okay, so it actually says that they are, I guess I'm going to be out of the Club Pink Club. So let me actually see what is in here. So it says Makeup Molly on here. I'm not sure what this is, so I'm going to pull it out. But they sent over, it looks like one of their mirrors. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is so cute. So little Benefit mirror. How cute. And they actually framed, this is so cute. I can't. They actually framed this frame. So it says Benefit Club Pink Class of 2019 Molly. And then it has this little frame right here that they put my picture in. This is so cute. How fun. Thank you, Benefit. This is so sweet of you guys. For sure, this is such a cute little thing to do with the frame and everything. I was wondering what was inside of that package. Super sweet of the Benefit team. Big thank you to them. This was very sweet. So here is the box here from LANCOME. This is a cute little pink package. I think I'm going the wrong way here. So this is a collaboration. I believe this is with Shira Fernigan. I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say her name and I don't want to butcher it, but I believe her first name is Shira. And it comes in this little pouch right here. I believe this is a palette. It looks like, oh cute, there's also this here that has another part of the collection as well. This is super cute. So let's go ahead and open this. I love this package too, really nice with the kind of like pink rose gold theme. I love rose gold so much. So here is the palette right here. Go ahead and open it up. Packaging, oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at how fun this is. Glitter galore. I love. Here is what the inside of the palette looks like. So this one here is a gloss. You have these lip shades, some eye shades, and then highlights. Really nice. You also get the brushes in here as well. This is such a cute little collection. I love that the brush is connected here too. It just makes it all kind of stay in place. And then there are also a few other products that are part of this. So we have a lip product, super cute with a little like winky face. And this one is a lip. This one is one of their shines. So it says Independent Woman. I'll go ahead and swatch this so we can see. Feels like it's going to be really hydrating on the lips. And then we also have here, I'm going to look at my little card because I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's a La Absolute Lacquer. So it is a lip product. And then we have a Hypnose Drama mascara as well in special packaging. So cute packaging right here. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys this gloss too so we can see what it looks like. This is kind of my kind of gloss. It's like a pinky nude gloss with a little sparkle in it. That one is really, really pretty. I think these two even together, like topped on each other, would look nice. I love this packaging on this collection. It's so, so cute. Big congratulations to her for collaborating with LANCOME. That is so amazing. Let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions with this collection. I'd love to do that. It looks beautiful. All right, we got 2 more left. So we have the next one here is from DERMA. So the products that we have from them is an SPF. So this is their Ultra Sheer Mineral Body Sunscreen Mist. I love misting sunscreens. They're my favorite kinds. I prefer them that way. So we have this. It's SPF 30. So it says water resistant, 80 minutes, fast absorbing, lightweight, not greasy. And it says it's reef safe, non-aerosol spray as well. And then the next item in here, oh, this is cute. They had it personalized, so it says my name on there. This is their hydrating mist. This is hyaluronic acid, rose water, and coconut water. So I'm actually gonna give this a spray. I love the smell of coconut and also rose. That smells really nice. It's very hydrating. So it says that you can use this as a hydrating mist to hydrate anytime during the day or to set your makeup in place. And I think I'm gonna like this. It smells amazing. And I'm really excited to try out the sunscreen because it's summertime and I feel like I definitely want to protect my skin this summer for sure. So big thank you to DERMA. This is really cute that you guys personalized this as well. All right, and then this very last box here arrived from Essence. Inside of here, it says splash the lash this summer with our new anticipated launch Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara. So this is your OG fave that is now ready for all your summer adventures. And so you guys know that Lash Princess is one of Essence's most like raved about mascaras. So many people love it. So they now have a waterproof version, which is awesome. So they sent over this little, this is cute, like a little raindrop thing right here. So it says now waterproof. And I'll go ahead and open this. You slide it open and it has the Lash Princess Waterproof inside of here. So I think there are just 2 different ones. Yeah, so 2 different ones of the waterproof. I love the Lash Princess. I have tried it out. I do think it's a really good mascara. I also really like, they have another one that I really like too. I can't think of what it's called, but it's a really good one as well. So here's what the wand looks like if you've never seen it. I definitely need waterproof mascaras in my collection, especially in the summertime. I think it's really important. I know a lot of people are going to be really excited that they now have this in waterproof. I think that's great. I believe they are going to have this available at Ulta. I know that they sell their other mascaras at Ulta, and it's going to be only $4.99, so I think that is great. Big thank you to Essence for sending that over. That is going to do it for our PR unboxing this week. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. Let me know down below what product you guys are most excited about. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends!